Welcome back to part 2 of my ultimate clod build, guys. So I got the TTR Ripper chassis off, and I got my axles torn apart, and I'm assembling now the hot racing axle tubes. Actually, this one's on already, and I'm getting ready to put the knuckles on, and then I'm going to move to the back. So far I'm gonna assemble both of the diffs complete before I move forward. And I also have this Hess machine axle supports. I'm gonna use them just because I think they look cool to add more aesthetic to it. They still mount to these arms, these axle tubes also. So, you know, maybe it'll protect the gearbox. I don't know. But either way, I like the way it looks. So I will be installing. I've had these for a couple years. And I bought them when I only had the plastic tubes. So now that I have the aluminum, probably not needed, but they might still be needed. I don't know if these gearbox crack. I don't know if anybody's ever had an issue with that. So, but that's it. I'm going to move forward. And like I said, part 2, guys, of this ultimate clod build. Like, subscribe, hit that notification.